After a recent storm, Jim was worried that his roof had been damaged. So he called the experts at A.J. Wells Roofing and Construction to come out for a free inspection, and was glad he did, because it turned out he did have damage from the storm that passed through. Even if you are diligently maintaining your property, underlying building envelope failures can happen when a fierce storm comes through and damages the roof. And thanks to the new AOB law, Jim didn't even have to deal with all the frustration that can come with handling an insurance claim and the repairs associated from those damages. The Assignment of Benefits law allows insured homeowners to transfer the insurance claim rights or benefits to a third-party authority to help navigate the burdensome claims process from start to finish. Contractors like A.J. Wells Roofing and Construction are required to provide you, the homeowner, with a detailed preliminary estimate in compliance with the new AOB law. This estimate provides all the details relating to the scope of the work and the values associated with that work. The AOB contract also allows the contractor to resolve any disputes on scope of work and values. This set of tasks is completed by A.J. Wells' qualified network of associate lawyers. Virtually every scenario makes the homeowner only liable for their deductibles, and the insurance company should pay for what's rightfully incurred. And with A.J. Wells' reputation for honest dealings and superior craftsmanship, Jim trusted them to take care of everything from start to finish. Soon the crew from A.J. Wells had his roof replaced and in compliance with all the new building codes and state and federal statutes. All Jim had to do was pay his deductible. They handled everything else. A.J. Wells Roofing and Construction is the most experienced and trusted roofing contractor in Northeast Florida. With over 100 years of combined work experience, we know everything about construction and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Call us today or fill out the form on our website to set up a free roof inspection on your home to check for and assess any storm damage.